Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. In this week's video we're going to have a lot of fun. I'm going to show you guys how I draw a dragon. So let's break out some pencils and let's draw. For my dragon, I wanted to make a close-up version of a dragon I drew before in an illustration based on a painting of René Magritte. It's a cute little one in the middle of the drawing here. I got my inspiration for this dragon from a very cool artist, Christopher Lovell, who is a master in dark fantasy art, but I also included some new elements of my own. The plan is, once the pencil sketch is done, to start with a watercolor wash to create a fun background with some burnt umber and some blues. As I plan to make this a mixed media illustration, I will also use some alcohol markers to give the color some more contrast and depth, and to finish it off I will also use some black colored pencil and some fine liners to get the darkest part as black as I can. And for the highlights I will use a white gel pen. Okay, our pencil sketch is done. Time to break out these watercolors and start painting. Let's go! Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked my illustration of a dragon. And if you liked the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me in this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!